You now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Today I am going to talk about my cousin that really admires me. His name is Khurram. He is the son of my cousin of my father. He is very well in studies. He scored a very good grades in studies. When he come in Pakistan from Netherlands, then we enjoy a lot. Like we play the different games, include Ludo and some video games. We also like to go to some places of Pakistan like northern areas, which includes Kashmir and Neelam Valley. We also like to spend time with family members in with family members at home. I feel very happy about my about the attitude about the attitude of my cousin because he helps the poor, he helps the needy people a lot. That's the thing that's this was the thing this is the thing that really admire me.
This is the thing that really admires me. No, this is the thing that really attracts me. Okay? Precisely 1 minute. And again, sentence structure. Instead of focusing on complex sentences, now you should focus on your simple sentence. First, simple, then compound, and then complex. Right? So, mistakes like cousin that really admires me. Not cousin admires you, you admire the cousin. Topic is describe someone older than you whom you admire. Not he admires you, you admire him. Right? And then you had mistakes with the subject verb agreement. He come instead of he comes and all that.
Yes.
So you should focus this as well. So again, I would say first tenses, then compound sentences, and after that you can come and learn complex sentences. So this week you got to learn all 12 tenses, active voice and passive voice. Then you can compound those sentences and all that. So looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you a 5.5. You can only improve if you improve your grammar.
Yes,
Right?
certainly.
Thank you.